In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find add-ons for Gmail. Adding these useful tools can greatly enhance your productivity and help customize your Gmail experience to better suit your needs. Now, let's dive right in. To begin with, open your Gmail account on your preferred web browser. Ensure you've logged in with your credentials so you're all set to access your inbox. This setup will be our starting point today. Once your Gmail account is open, direct your attention to the right side of the interface. You will find a vertical toolbar there, home to various icons. What we're interested in is the prominent plus icon, usually visible near the bottom of this toolbar. This plus icon is your gateway to discovering new add-ons tailored for Gmail. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. When you click, it will open the add-ons interface, which presents you with a selection of tools and utilities. This interface is much like a marketplace but specifically designed for Gmail. Here you can explore a wide array of add-ons that can boost the functionality of your email experience. These include everything from productivity tools, organizational aids, and communication enhancers, offering endless possibilities to refine how you interact with emails daily. Once inside this add-ons interface, take your time browsing through the available options. You can scroll and explore different categories, or use the search bar at the top to look for something specific. Whether you're interested in a particular application or just curious about the available features, this browsing experience will provide insightful details on what each add-on offers, helping you make informed decisions. While reviewing the add-ons, consider how they may integrate with your current workflow. Some may offer quick solutions to common tasks like scheduling emails, managing calendar invites, or even tracking packages right from your inbox. Read carefully through the descriptions and any available user reviews to get a sense of the add-on's effectiveness and overall user satisfaction. Once you identify an add-on you'd like to install, just click on it and you'll be directed to another page where you can read more about its features. If it feels right, you'll find an install button. Clicking this triggers a quick installation process, often requiring you to grant necessary permissions. Don't worry, this is a standard step that authorizes the add-on to work seamlessly with your Gmail account. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly find and install Gmail add-ons that enrich your email experience. Experiment with various tools until you find the perfect combination that suits your routine. Enjoy exploring new possibilities and enhancing productivity with these handy extensions. Thanks for watching this guide, and be sure to tune in for more tips on maximizing your Gmail usage.